Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Characteristics of offer. A valid offer must have following essential characteristics: readiness and intention to enter into a contract. The party making the offer must have intention to enter into a contract. Example: A says to B, I will sell the car to you at rupees 2 lakh. It is a valid offer. In this offer, A is ready and willing to enter into a contract. The offer is intended to get acceptance of B. Example: A says to B, I am thinking of selling the car to you at rupees 2 lakh. It is not a valid offer from A. In this offer, there is no readiness or intention on part of A to enter into a contract. In commercial agreements, intention to create legal obligation is presumed. Willingness to perform. It must indicate the willingness of the person to do as proposed in the offer. In this offer, A will sell his car to B on getting acceptance by B. Communication. An offer must be communicated to the offeree. Otherwise, the offer is not complete and hence not valid. Any act done in ignorance of offer does not constitute a contract. Example: A writes a letter to B about his offer to him, but B keeps the letter in drawer. This offer is not valid as it is not communicated to the offeree. Let us suppose A writes a letter to B about his offer to him, but B keeps the letter in drawer. C, who knows B, accidentally reads the letter. The offer is not valid as it is not communicated by A, the offerer, to B, the offeree. It will not be a valid offer by A to B even if B somehow comes to know about the offer through some other ways. In this case, keeping the letter in drawer does not indicate clear intention of A to make the offer to B. He might have thought of making the offer but did not fix up his mind and kept it in drawer. It becomes valid offer when A or his authorized representative gives or sends the letter to B. Example: X declares reward to find his lost son. Y finds his son without knowing the reward. Y cannot claim the reward as the offer was not communicated to him. This is a case of general offer. We will explain general offer afterwards. In this case, the offer is communicated only to those persons who have heard of the offer of X. Those who have not heard about the X offer of reward, there is no valid offer by X to them. Clear and specific. An offer must be specific, clearly defined and not ambiguous. Example: X says to Y, I will buy you the book at rupees 100 when I am able to find it in the bookstore. This is not a valid offer as the terms of the offer are not specific and clear. What is not an offer? In some cases, it may look like that a party has made a valid offer, but actually the offer is not valid as it does not fulfill the essential requirements of a valid offer. For example, following instances, though appearing like an offer, are not valid offer. Declaration of intention. Mere declaration of intention is not an offer. Example, A says to B, I am thinking of selling the car at rupees 2 lakh. It is not a valid offer. It does not show the final willingness of the readiness of the offerer to enter into a contract. Invitation. Invitation to do business is not an offer. Example, display of goods in shop windows is not an offer on the part of shopkeeper. Seller of the goods is not bound to sell the item displayed. Similarly, a quotation or a price list sent to a prospective buyer does not constitute an offer on the part of seller. These are treated as invitation to make an offer by the intending offerer. Example, price list sent to prospective buyer do not constitute offer on part of seller. Negative terms of compliance. Offer cannot contain terms of non-compliance as acceptance. It cannot place burden on the part of the offeree. A wrote to B, I offer to sell 100 tons of coal at rupees 12,000 per ton. If I do not hear from you within 7 days, I will treat that you have accepted the offer. This is not a valid offer. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.